So TikTok told me to record videos longer than 1 minute, so here I am with the full get ready with me as well as a get dressed with me. Child, I literally recorded a whole voiceover before this and realized that my mic was not turned on, so this is just treacherous for me. I'm literally screaming right now because I forgot everything I was saying. But anyways, I started out with a get ready with me. I always like to use skincare regimens that all have obviously like a toner, a moisturizer, and just everything in the same, because it makes things so much easier when you're just using one brand or two. It just makes it more simplified, and I feel like it's just more cohesive on your skin because you don't get the peeling that you usually do when you mix different products. But anywho, child, I have a crush at the gym. Let's call him Jinbei, and it's really really hard for me to actually talk to people. Next, I went in with this hair gel. It's linked to my Amazon storefront. Of all the stuff I use in my hair, I linked to my storefront and laid it down, put a scarf over it just so that it can marinate. Then I took it out, and this is how it looks. Cute, cute, cute. Then I went in with this Lancome Primer. I really like this one. It's just so smooth on my face, and it's really easy to apply. But anyways, getting back to our story, I have actually said hi to him already. And I do know that I'm an actress. I work in media. I'm in front of the camera a lot. It's just that I'm just not good with like one-on-one interactions. It just makes it so much more personable. And I'm not there to entertain him, of course, so it's different. I went in with this beautiful blush. It's actually lipstick from Hourglass called Red O. I really love to put it on for my underpainting. So Jinbei and I have had a few interactions, and we do take a class together. It's just that the class is one of the hardest classes that I usually take, and so it's just hard for me to make it. But anyways, I went in with one of my favorite foundations from Say Beauty, because today I will be out and about, and I just want to obviously glow. How beautiful that looks. It's so radiant. Getting back to our story, I just don't know. Like, I need your guys' advice, especially for people who are like shy or just have personalities that are more introverted. Because mind you, I know how to tell a joke. I know how to tell a story. It's just putting myself out there and being vulnerable is hard when it's not for work, when I'm not in an acting scene. So it's just, I've been trying to overcome that, especially when I go to places or parties. I make an effort to actually introduce myself and, say hi and things like that. But it's still a weird feeling to always feel like you have to say something to someone, and I often don't. So, but this one I need to say something. This one I need to make an effort. I also don't like approaching men for obvious reasons. So send me all your advice, guys. So to finish off the look, I put on these earrings. They're also linked to my Amazon storefront. I love them. They're actually really cute. I ended up taking them off actually because I felt like they were too much for the look. But I finished off with this lip oil. And next, put on these jeans from Ozma, as well as this top. It's just a basic top from Zara, but I really really like it. It goes with a lot of things, and the color is really really good on my skin. I need to start linking my outfits to my Instagram because it's also often hard to, say where everything is from and things like that. So I'll just start putting my outfits on my Instagram just so that you guys have a place to go see them. But I wanted to look cozy this day because I'm just meeting up with a friend and we're just getting lunch and chatting. And it was a really good chat for both of us because we haven't seen each other in years almost. Obviously, the pandemic has really cut off a lot of my relationships that I used to have constant interactions with. And it was very wholesome for the both of us to talk about business, our personal lives, and where we want things to go for the next year because it's next week, literally. I ended with spraying myself with this obvious my favorite from Glossier, You, and then I put on this cute little duster from Ozma as well, and I was ready to go. See you guys on the next chat.